I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I help teachers successfully integrate technology in their learning environments. Thank you so much for pre-enrolling in this upcoming course, which will be released within the next month or so, hopefully. It is going to be such a fantastic course, and I am very excited to bring it to you. Some modules that you probably will be going through will include helping learning about how to manipulate digital images used in early childhood programs, digital photography, digital animation, or just animation. We'll also be learning about how to create simple images using graphics and drawing programs, and what you need to know about all these programs, including the ICT skills and techniques that are involved. And it's going to be such a great course, and it is going to really enlighten you with so many great hands-on activities you can embed and enjoy in your learning environment today. And the reason why is because they are all practical and immediately actionable. So thank you so much once again for pre-enrolling in this course. Like I said, I'm really looking forward to releasing this and sharing my knowledge about this. I almost forgot one really good module, and that's animation in early childhood. I am particularly looking forward to this because I have actually I have qualifications in animation. So thank you so much for pre-enrolling in this course. When it is completed, you will be notified. And I can't wait to see you all in this course. It's going to be hands-on. It's going to be great. I'll see you then.